Hey guys, welcome back. So now we're going to be setting up the program. The program is going to be where you offer your affiliates different levels from different stores or different products. So let's say if you have low margins in a product, you can offer lower commission rates for the sales that they're going to bring to your store. Now, if you have products with they cost you maybe $100 to order once you get an order in, but the order fulfillment is going to be $250. You're making 50% profit, so you have a little bit more where you can share with your affiliates, and you can set these up that way. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So how you're going to find this? You're going to be on your dashboard originally, and you're going to go down to vendor market tools, and then we're going to click on campaigns, and it's going to bring us back to this. Now, this is if you're using external stores, then it's going to give you a little message there, and we're going to go click here. So the program name is going to be whatever you want to name it. You can pretty much do like I did and just name it something, bring us more vendors. For this one, we're going to use video. Can't spell today. Video tutorial. All right. And next, you're going to move on down. So with this is going to be the mission, the admin commission. So the only way that we make money is if you make money and your affiliates make money, making it a win-win-win. So we don't charge you for a monthly fee. We want to make sure that you're making money. So I'm not going to take anything from you if you're not making anything. Therefore, we're helping you grow. And the only thing that we're going to be doing is 5%. That's going to be set automatically because let's say if you have a $25 product and we're only taking 5%, we're only getting $1.25 for that product as you make a sale. So that's not, trying to rip the vendor's mouth out or trying to take more. Some places, they when you are a vendor, you can get a charge up to 50%, which is standard. You can't change it, you can't control it. You just have to pay 50% of your sales. So that puts you in a spot where you have to have a certain markup that may not make you as competitive. But here, if you already have your markup, just like you have a Shopify store, they're going to tell you what you're going to be able to make, and it's going to tell you your product, and it's going to tell you the cost and how much you can sell it for, which is going to be up to you. And that is going to give you your profit margin. So you want to make sure that your profit margin are going to be set and you know what they are for the products. And then we're going to move on down to affiliate sales settings. So for your affiliates, now the commission type is going to be up to you. Most people are going to be doing the percentages simply because their margins are percentage based. Now, if you have a product where you can afford a certain fixed amount, a dollar amount, so let's just say if you want to pay them $5 per sale, that's going to be fixed per sale. Every sale they're going to get $5. Now, if you do like most people and do the percentage rate, that's going to be 5%, sort of like the admin. So you will be splitting 5%, 5%, total of 10% for the sale that's going to be going on. And you're going to see the breakdown of that once we set up our campaign. It's pretty cool. Well, we tell you here exactly what's going to be going to the affiliate, what's going to be going to the admin, and how much you're going to be making as well. So you want to make sure you enable this simply because your affiliates won't be able to make money if it's not enabled. Now, when it comes to clicks, it is well known in the affiliate marketing that people can run up clicks. I call it the click scam. So what they will do is some people will actually have a click bot where it just clicks, click, click, clicks, give you all these clicks, but it doesn't bring you any sales. And for that reason alone, I leave this disabled. I don't put that on. I wouldn't suggest putting that on until we are as a company are able to actually put more into the clicks and get a safer way for our affiliates to not be taken advantage of or not take advantage of the vendors because they are out there. Now, it's not all of them, but let's just make sure we understand life and we know that they are out there. So for now, we are only going to pay for results. So we're going to leave clicks disabled and we're going to save. Now, if you want to put a message in vendor comments, you can. That is going to go straight to the affiliates as they're clicking on it and things of that nature. So we're going to see what that looks like. This is a message. All right. Okay. Um, so we're going to leave that there and we're going to go down to save. So now it's going to show up in here in your hub next to the other program. So whenever you do that, now you see that you can go in here and also edit it. So let's bring this one up just a little bit more as if we have a higher paying. So you see the admin didn't change and the affiliates is the only one that changed. Admin never changes, only always 5%. So this is going to give your affiliates now when you put your products in, you can choose 5% for this product or you can choose 10%. And you can make as many of these as you want. As you can see, it's pretty quick. So we're going to run through it again. Test 2. And we're just going to set it for 20%. And we're going to enable. We're going to leave this disabled for clicks. And we're going to just say, oh, wait, and we got to choose the type. So 20%. Again, make sure you choose your type, otherwise it won't let you move forward. And we're just going to save it. So now we have 5, 10, and 20% for our affiliates. This next video that we're going to be showing you is going to be coming from the same area, the vendor market tools. And we're going to be setting up a campaign. So the campaign is going to be with these. You're going to be choosing which program you want to add to your campaign. So let's do that, and I'll see you in the next video.